This one's going to cover electric charging stations. Now we're going to go over a few different companies, and the company I want to go over is Switchback Energy Acquisition Corporation. Now this is going to emerge with ChargePoint, and ChargePoint, is trading at $16.55. Now this company, Switchback Energy, this is a blank check company. The market cap is 649.8831 million. It doesn't have a 1-year target yet. Like I said, it's a blank check company. The chart events, the pattern is detected as bullish, and this is something long term. Now I know you see the headlines right here. It's going through some alert, such and such, lawsuits for or investigation for the merger. I mean, there's a lot of blank check companies that are merging with electric car companies or whatsoever, etc., because there's an investigation on it. But what it is right now is that, like I was saying in one of my videos, this is the electric car year of 2020, and so on and so on. And I'm in it for the long term. And as you can see over here on the right, these are other electric car companies, trucking companies. If you want to look into this, type this symbol and just check it out for yourself. Okay, let me get back to the next page where I was at before. Now, I'm going to scroll down. I'm not going to read you every details, but this other website is a good information site, barons.com. You can check it out for yourself, and it gives you details of what companies are doing. And I'm gonna show a short video you can check out yourself.
What kind of company built an electric vehicle charging network even before the first mass market electric vehicle rolled off the assembly line? Okay, we admit it. It's us. We're ChargePoint. And our passion, no, our obsession, is helping everyone make the switch to electric mobility. We see this moment in time as an opportunity to change the world for the better. And since change is hard, the best thing we can do is build a robust network that makes it easy for people to switch from the old way to the bright and shiny new way. And that's what we've been doing since 2007, designing a charging experience for businesses, fleets, and drivers that is as easy, convenient, and seamless as possible. We've built North America's largest charging network, and we're rapidly expanding in Europe. We've worked with everyone from automakers and utilities to policymakers and influencers to pave the way for EV ubiquity. And we've developed advanced software that makes the charging experience simple. This is way more than just business to us. Electric mobility means cleaner air. And what's more important than that? It's this passion that has driven us to deliver more industry-shaping innovation than anyone. We'll be dreaming and driving and innovating new ways to make the EV charging experience as user-friendly as possible every waking moment we have. We can't help it. That's just who we are. ChargePoint.
Okay, now going back to this company right here, ChargePoint, which this is Switchback Energy, is a blank check company like I mentioned before. I was trying to look for more information on this page about details about this company, which I told you is blank check company. Let me go back to this page here. Now, what I'm going to read here is there are other details to consider. There will be regional differences and there will be growth. And for electricity generation, most of the growth in capacity comes from renewable power. There will also be billions to invest in charging infrastructure. Companies such as Beam Global, you could check out yourself, is the symbol right here, BEEM, and Blank Charging, which I highlighted on it, tells you the price. And Charging Station, which is Switchback Energy Acquisition, the one I mentioned about ChargePoint, that's going to take over to merge. And you could look these symbols up. You make the decision yourself which one's best you're interested in. And like I said, you know, these are long-term companies, and we're going into more electric cars, and you'll see more electric stations in the future, which is now. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the next screen. This is another new charging station company right here. I think this is a blank check company. It's called Newborn Acquisition Corporation. And let me scroll down. This is based out in China. And this is something I just found right now. And I'm going to look into myself. And let me see if do they have a website. There's no website link here, but I could Google search it. And what I want to close saying this, they always say, don't get into debt. Depending on what you're doing, I recommend you check this advisor, and you know, just look into yourself. You know, he provides good information. Robert, you know, that worked with real estate with Donald Trump before, and it's good to like just take chances on this. This is definitely a long-term safe investment, how I see it, to my opinion, and I'm going to look into investing myself soon. Thanks for your time. Make sure you subscribe and like my channel.